In the summer of 1997, NASA's Pathfinder landed on Mars. It sent back stunning images, until suddenly, the transmissions stopped. The problem wasn't the antenna, it was a bug in its scheduler, the system that decides which task to do next. Schedulers keep computers running smoothly, but when they fail, even machines get overwhelmed. And just like computers, we humans struggle when we spend more time juggling priorities than actually doing the work. Think about your inbox. If you always search for the most important email first, you waste time scanning again and again. The bigger the inbox, the slower you get. Sometimes chasing perfection means you get nothing done. In 2003, Linux faced the same issue. Its fix: priority buckets. Instead of ranking every task, it grouped them. Less precise, but far more efficient. The lesson for us: progress beats perfection. Another challenge is interruptions. Every time you switch tasks, your brain pays a cost, just like a computer performing a context switch. Too many interruptions drain focus and energy. The solution is grouping. In computer science, it's called interrupt coalescing. Instead of reacting instantly, systems wait and handle multiple signals at once. For us, that means checking emails or notifications only once an hour. Focus first, respond later. Time management isn't about doing everything perfectly. It's about reducing chaos, simplifying priorities, and grouping distractions. That's how we reclaim focus and draw our own path to success.